A business's sure way to thrive is to have a healthy and strong relationship with its existing and potential customers. There are many ways a business can do this. One method is through email. However, it can be a hassle to constantly craft new emails every month for every customer, especially if you have thousands of them. Now, this is where today's email marketing software comes to save the day. This is the digital guide, and this video is going to take you through Sendgrid, an email marketing software that could potentially do great things for your business. To get started with Sendgrid for free, visit sendgrid.com. Then return here and press Start for free, which will load the assignment page. After a few seconds, the page will be loaded. Enter your email address, password, and tick on the acceptance of terms and services over here. Then, you'll be sent to your dashboard. So, on the dashboard, you'll see a few options. And to the left, you have many more options. But right now, they're all grayed out since I need to pay more for a premium membership to access them. To access the Sender Authentication tab, select the option to produce one sender and then click the button. From that point, you may essentially create senders with an unlimited number of them. How does this work? Suppose you have many emails and you prefer each to perform a particular function. For instance, I may set up my primary email to deliver updates on a variety of topics, my secondary email to provide updates on technical matters, and my third email to give updates on still other topics. Basically, that is the system. So now I'll type in my name, then enter an email address and the email address I'm replying to, then the corporate address, city, state, and zip code. After inputting everything, I'll press create, and it will produce the sender. So after entering a dummy email, I can see this specific email on the screen. I can now easily enter another email address over here. I'll type that in now, and the next step is to add your country, state, and anything else they require. So I'll just scroll to find my country on this drop-down, select it, and then click the Create button. After I click Create, I must also provide a name. The sender will be generated once I enter a name, Sarah Doe, and click the Create button. Afterwards, I can view that this particular sender have been produced over here. You can now view the many marketing options, including automation, on the left side. We'll examine each of our other options in detail as well. You can construct automation over here. Now, what is producing automation? In other words, you may set up repeating emails. Your clients will receive recurrent emails at the conclusion of each month with various updates on everything that transpired during that month. Now that you have clicked on Make an Automation, you can construct an automation from a pre-designed template or construct a new one over here. I won't go through that process right now, but it is quite straightforward. You can easily add contacts from the left side, eliminating the need to craft a new contact each time you wish to add a new one. Additionally, you may include a design library with email designs. These are all templates that you may utilize for emails, and you can also upload pictures relating to the email subject. Making such a step will significantly improve the overall tone of the emails you send out. When you send out a multitude of emails and connect with numerous people, you will be able to examine your statistics on the menu on the left side of your screen. However, if, for example, you have 1 million recipients on your email list, it becomes difficult to monitor all those emails. Instead, you can refer to this data to see how many people are clicking on your links and are actually reading your emails. Now, the next thing you can do is view and observe the expert insights, global statistics, category comparison, sub-user comparison, category statistics, and sub-user stats. It's amazing with the many possibilities Sendgrid possesses. And if you scroll down, you can select activities on the menu seen on the left side. Okay, before we check on the other last tool under the marketing section and the other perks Sendgrid has to offer, are you enjoying this video so far? If so, leave us a thumbs up and interact in the comment section below. Going back, the next thing we're going to explore is suppressions. Using an inbox manager, you can monitor how many individuals have really unsubscribed from your emails, what their reason was, and how many have reported them as spam, blocked, or invalid. These are essentially all the elements you can access from the side menu. Pay close attention to the marketing area, as there are many choices there that potentially makes your job a lot simpler. I'll now showcase their email API, which is really the programming aspect of Sendgrid. With it, you can actually create unique programs that forward emails to particular recipients in your group. A code editor may be used to create APIs that you can occasionally use if, for example, you only want to send an email to your team instead of sending an email to the thousands of email recipients you have. Overall, since this is essentially the work of a coder, I won't go in depth. Instead, just click this, give your template a name, then create, and you can alter this by adding various versions. Now, returning to the main dashboard. All the things I just showed to you are all features and functions that Sendgrid provides on a free plan. However, if you are interested in more than what I showed you, I'll now look through their pricing and plans with you. As you can see, they offer 4 distinct options. The first plan is essentially their no-cost option. You can access APIs, SMTP relay, webhooks, delivery optimization tools, dynamic template editor, insights analytics, and ticket support under the free plan. However, email validation is not available. There are several features including sub-user administration and dedicated IPS. However, if you look at the fundamentals, this is already for 100,000 emails, for which they charge $29. It stands to reason that for fewer emails, they will charge you less. Only the guaranteed response times for ticket and chat support will cost you more, and that is a requirement when serving such a large audience. It is crucial to have folks who you can contact if you have any issues. A lot of people, 1.5 million, are included in their Pro version, which is on the right side of the screen. You most likely won't need this specific strategy unless you own a massive tech firm or a fashion brand. The 4th strategy subscription plan is best suited for large businesses that serve several million customers. Additionally, emailing is a good technique to continuously up your game with your large company. Here, all the functions are shown and arranged differently. Sendgrid essentially makes your customer relation building a much easier feat. And with the stats feature, you can easily make adjustments as needed. Maintaining a thriving business has never been this easy. And with that, if you like this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe for more marketing tutorials and videos. I have been your digital guide. I'll see you in the next one.